Good morning, students. So yesterday we talked about subsistence farming and its classifications. So today I will cover about the commercial farming, what is included in commercial farming, because already we have talked about commercial farming. So commercial farming includes plantations and mixed farming. So talk about them one by one, starting from very first mixed farming here. So, mixed farming refers to the cultivation of food crops, fodder crops, and the rearing of livestock at the same time on the same land. And the combination of different primary activities here is complementary to each other. See, each thing is complementing to each other. How? Food crop is complementing to fodder crops, and fodder crop is complementing to rearing of livestock. You got it? And it is complementary to each other, and it adds to the farmer's profit, or we can say profitability. Now we will talk about the reasons where this mixed farming is mainly practiced, in which regions or parts of the world it is practiced. So it is generally practiced in Europe, Eastern USA, Argentina, Southeast Australia, New Zealand, West Africa and South Africa. Okay, and when we move forward to it, here comes a word ranching. Anyone can answer the meaning of this word? What does ranching means? Okay, so ranching refers to raising livestock for meat or wool on privately owned land, that is private, or we can say individual owned land, along with the use of some public land it can be. And the practice is very common in Australia, Western USA and Tibet. And in our country, that means India, it is generally prevalent in the hilly regions that are rich in pastures. Okay. Now we will move forward towards the plantation agriculture. So plantation agriculture was introduced by the Europeans in their colonies situated in the tropical regions. Under this type of cultivation, vast lands are brought under a single crop and large amount of capital and cheap but skilled labor are used. Labor should be cheap, but they should be skilled. Scientific techniques, efficient transport network, managerial and marketing skills are employed. Okay, so now I will talk about the reasons in which this plantations found in. So it is basically found in the tropical regions. A rubber plantation in West Malaysia, coffee in Brazil, tea in India and Sri Lanka are here some of the examples. So this was all for today, students. Thank you and have a wonderful day, my dear.